Okay, people, since everybody loves old starts, cold starts so much, let's see if we can give this puppy a try. She's been sitting here about, I don't know, about 3-4 months. Pretty much all the tires are flat on her. She is a 94 Explorer. It's all flat. Hasn't gone anywhere for a while. Oh, I get in. Oh, we got lights. We got lights. Pretty dark in here. Let's try her out. I'm not gonna give her any gas, nothing. Just give her a shot. Come on, puppy. Ooh. She wants to go. Holy shit. We got success. Oh. Ah, crap. Come on. There we go. Mine's just a little sticky, so she'll rev up for a bit and it doesn't still. Sounds like absolute shit, but it is running. There we go. There you go. Piece of shit Ford and she's running. Guess she ain't that piece of shit, I guess. Oh well, that's it for now, I guess. She works. See you later, folks.